Welcome to this video on the GomerAI TPB indicator, the Trend Pullback Environment tool for MetaTrader 5. TPB stands for Trend Pullback, a strategy that capitalizes on temporary market retracements within a larger trend. It identifies high-potential pullback opportunities in real time, focusing on providing clear entry signals. The core concept is that markets move in waves, with impulse moves in the direction of the trend and corrective pullbacks against it. Waiting for a retracement allows traders to enter at a more favorable price, offering a better risk-to-reward ratio. The TPB indicator works in a three-step process. First, it confirms the existence and direction of a dominant market trend. Second, it measures the pullback against specific depth and momentum criteria. Finally, it awaits alignment, looking for signs that the pullback is ending and the original trend is resuming. It's important to set expectations. TPB is not a reversal system, but a trend-joining tool. It focuses on pullback dynamics, not complex chart patterns, and provides signals based on set conditions, not a statistical guarantee of success. TPB is ideal for trending environments with controlled volatility and a clear directional bias. It is less effective in sideways or choppy markets and struggles with extreme news-driven volatility. The key takeaway is that the TPB indicator is designed to provide a disciplined and systematic answer to the critical question: where is the safest and most logical place to enter with the trend?